With another 4 months to go for your next NET examination, to prepare for psychology as one of the subjects, it's really important to understand the complexities of the paper. Now, recently we have seen questions which have been asked based on the recent researches and contemporary trends, even the terms which have been in news recently. For example, doom scrolling, revolving door phenomena are some of the terms which have been in news related to psychological constructs and have been part of your examination paper. So the complexity of the paper is indeed daunting. We need to understand every nook and corner of it. So be it the sections on general psychology, clinical psychology, biophysics, the psychophysical aspects, the questions related to organizational psychology, all of those must be covered in depth. So what we believe is, with the help of the postal course, you have the list of topics that you can see here. Now with this, you can prepare your own schedule at your own pace, get the concepts clear by your own self, and within the book you have sections where there are QR codes being mentioned, so you can simply click on those QR codes and refer to that topic's video for more in-depth understanding. So this integration with the online YouTube videos that we have would help you understand the concepts in a more pronounced way. And if you want additional guidance, additional support, PYQs, practice questions, detailed lectures, those are available separately in the link below. But ensure that with the changing syllabus, it's really important to ensure that every new topic which is added to the syllabus, be it the academic psychology in India, be it the special correlation methods which have been added, the Zuckerman sensation seeking concepts which have been added, the social exchange theory, all of these have been covered in depth and are really important as per the new examination module and paper. So prepare well for your upcoming NET examination. In case you have any questions or queries, feel free to reach back to us on the number below for more information, or just check the description here. Thanks for joining in. Have a great day.